Welcome, dear student. In today's lecture, we will see the economic importance of sponges, that is, poriferans. What are the economic importance of this porifera on the earth? As we know about the characters of phylum Porifera or the sponges and the different classes, major classes of phylum Porifera. Now, in this lecture, we will see the importance of these sponges or poriferans. These sponges, which are both useful as well as harmful to animals. But most of the sponges which are useful to the animals or the aquatic life. As in the general characters, we have already studied the sponges are only found in water, and most of the forms are found in marine water and few are found in fresh water. So, as they are found and they are sessile individuals or sedentary, and due to this, they are having the great importance to the aquatic life, basically to the marine waters or the marine environments. First of all, we'll see the uses of these sponges. Man, which uses these sponges for fishing as well as sports, and in many coastal regions, this sponge fishing as well as the sponge sports are well known, in which the by these trawlers or hooks, the sponges are to be collected from the seas, and the later on they dried to the coastal region and afterwards sold into the markets. So this is the big industry to some coastal regions of the seas. These sponges are also used as barters in the just seashore as well as the land tribes as a trade. Means the fishermen which collect the sponges from the seas and just give to the other peoples and collected the some other materials from these people. So likewise, that is about the barter. Then ancient Greek peoples who use the dried fibrous skeleton of the sponges for washing and bathing purposes, for scrubbing their floors, their furnitures, washing ceiling walls and car floors. The sponges were used to absorb the fluids as drinking cups because they are having these porous natures. Then the sponges are used for washing shoe polish as well as face creams. They are also used as a scrubbers. In glass industry, for wiping and cleaning the hot glass, the sponges are to be used. The sponges are also used ornamental articles because some of the sponges are just looks beautiful. The example is Venus flower basket, like this the euplectellans. So these are used as ornamental articles. Then the sponges are eaten as a food by fishes, turtles, mollusks, and some crustaceans which lives as a true parasite on sponge which feeds on there and live as a parasite, while fish, turtle and mollusk which feeds on the sponge. The sponges which provides the ideal shelter for number of animals in aquatic habitats or aquatic life. They provides a ideal place for just to hide, and they also form the associations with the aquatic animals like the commensalism as well as symbiotism, and which gives the shelter to the some of the smaller animals. So this is about the uses of sponges. The some sponges which are also harmful, like they kill other sessile animals by growing over them, like bivalves, oysters, etc. Even in some cases, over the turtles, the sponges are also grows. As in general characters, we have studied that they can grow on any hard substratum. So if they found such kinds of the shells of these bivalves or the oysters, they grow on their shell. And not only they grow on their shell, but they bore also deep the shell of the individuals, causing damage or the might be death of the that animal. So this is the harm which causes by the sponges to these animals. So this is all about the economic importance of the sponges. Thank you very much for watching the entire video.